Hello friends, welcome to class 5th lesson number 9 continue session. Magan Bhai and baby Jill's story. Last I told you that Magan Bhai is saying a one story and Jill is listening the story. Magan Bhai is Zill's grandfather. In last session we discussed that he was staying as a porter and bringing soil from the lakes and prepare pots, bowls, etc. from the soil. Our lesson's topic is land. Land means soil, agriculture, plants, world of the different creatures and animals. Magan Bhai was always bringing soil from the forest, making beautiful pots and selling into the market. Magan Bhai sold one pot to the Ramesh Bhai, and very next day she said, "Papa, I will fill water in this small pot." Now every day Bindya fills water using the small pots. One day the pot from her hands fell down and broken into the pieces, and heartbroken Bindya collected the pieces and kept behind the house. The grandfather asked, "Now tell me, dear, what would you have happened to those pieces?" "Some girls like me must have used them for playing games," replied Jill. Jill said that some girls like me use as a toy or plaything. "You are correct, those pieces are mixed again with the soil." Hearing this, confused Jill asked what other things get mixed in the soil. So, they are making one activity. They started sewing. What we need? Spade, sieve for sewing, wheat, sieve for sewing wheat, flour, thin cotton cloth, and one lump of a soil. After taking lump of a soil, we have to turn into the small particle size. Sieve it through the wheat. Then whatever fine particles are there, they will get it down at the down, and bigger one left there. Bigger particles of the soil left on the top. Fine clay will come down. It is a one filtering of a soil. This sieve part used for, once again, collect the sieved part of the sieve it with the sieve used for the sieving the flour. Likewise, mother is also doing at home while she is sewing the flour. If you observe that some big particles in a small size left on the top, and fine clay or fine flour, when mother is sieving in the kitchen, fine flour is getting down. This component we have to put separate. What is left and what is not left, that is our activity. Then this collected the filtered soil, again we have to sieve it through the cotton cloth. We have to observe in a filtered component and not down. By filtering again and again, we may get at last once again a very fine minute particles of the soil or of the flour. Next session we shall have continued this lesson. Dear children, please read the lesson very well. Thank you.